Have you ever stood in front of a view so breathtaking, so awe-inspiring, that words simply failed you? Our planet is full of places like that. Raw, powerful, natural wonders carved by time, fire, water, and even the cosmos. Today we're taking you on a journey across the globe to explore 8 natural wonders of the world. From glowing skies to towering waterfalls, from ancient volcanoes to hidden bays. So, pack your sense of adventure because this trip will blow your mind. 1. Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights. We begin our journey in the cold northern skies with a phenomenon that feels almost otherworldly. The Aurora Borealis, better known as the Northern Lights. Imagine looking up into the night and seeing the sky painted with streaks of green, purple, and red, shifting and shimmering like a cosmic dance performance. But what actually causes this light show? It's not magic. It's science. Charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's magnetic field. And when they strike the gases in our atmosphere, they glow. Green comes from oxygen at lower altitudes, while red and purple hues form higher up. The best spots to witness this spectacle include Norway, Iceland, Finland, Canada, and Alaska. But here's the catch. You need dark, clear skies and a bit of luck. That's why catching the aurora often becomes a life-changing travel quest, one that many describe as spiritual. The Northern Lights remind us that our planet is connected to the stars in ways we can barely imagine. 2. The Grand Canyon, United States. From the skies, we head down to the depths of Earth's geology. The Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA. Stretching 277 miles, long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. It's less of a canyon and more of a masterpiece carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. Standing at the edge, it feels like looking into Earth's history book. Each colorful layer of rock tells a story, some dating back nearly 2 billion years. Imagine the civilizations, the rivers, the tectonic shifts that came and went while these stones just stayed. The Grand Canyon isn't just about size. It's about perspective. Sunrise and sunset paint the cliffs in fiery reds and golds, while hikers and rafters experience its power from deep within. Whether you're standing at the rim or rafting the raging Colorado, the Grand Canyon is the kind of place that makes you feel both small and infinite. 3. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Next stop, Australia's Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on the planet, and the only living structure visible from space. Stretching over 1,400 miles, this underwater wonder is home to more than 1,500 species of fish, 400 kinds of coral, and countless marine creatures like sea turtles, manta rays, and even dwarf minke whales. It's like entering another world. Diving into the reef is like walking into a bustling city. Only the buildings are coral, the citizens are fish, and the traffic is a school of shimmering silver barracudas. But the Great Barrier Reef is fragile. Rising ocean temperatures and pollution have caused coral bleaching, threatening its survival. The good news? Conservation efforts are in full swing, with scientists and locals working hard to protect it. So, if you ever visit, remember, you're not just a tourist. You're stepping into one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. 4. Paricutin, Mexico. Our journey now takes us to something truly rare, a natural wonder that humans actually witnessed being born. Meet Paricutin, a volcano in Mexico. In 1943, a farmer named Dionisio Pulido was tending his cornfield when the ground cracked open. Within hours, smoke and ash shot into the sky. Within a week, the volcano was 5 stories tall. And within a year, it had grown over 1,000 feet. Over 9 years, Paricutin erupted continuously, burying villages in lava and ash. The only surviving landmark is the top of a church tower, still sticking out of the hardened lava field. a haunting reminder of nature's power. Today, the volcano is dormant, and visitors can hike its slopes. Standing there, you realize you're walking on land that didn't exist a century ago. Parikutin isn't just a natural wonder. It's living proof of how our planet constantly reshapes itself. 5. Victoria Falls, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Next, prepare to get drenched at Victoria Falls, straddling the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known locally as Mosio Atunya, meaning the smoke that thunders. This is the largest sheet of falling water on Earth. At over 5,600 feet wide and 354 feet tall, Victoria Falls is so massive that you can hear it from miles away. When the river is at full flow, columns of mist rise hundreds of feet into the air, visible from more than 20 miles away. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can swim right at the edge in the famous Devil's Pool, where a natural rock barrier lets you peek over the brink of the waterfall itself. Victoria Falls isn't just a spectacle, it's a force. It humbles you, thrills you, and soaks you all at once. 6. Halong Bay, Vietnam. From roaring waterfalls, we move to tranquil seas. Vietnam's Halong Bay. Imagine sailing through emerald green waters, dotted with nearly 2,000 limestone islands and karsts, each one covered in lush jungle. Legends say the bay was formed when dragons descended from the heavens, spitting jewels into the sea that turned into the islands we see today. Science says it was millions of years of erosion. Either way, the result is pure magic. Some islands hide secret caves, lagoons, or even floating fishing villages where people live entirely on the water. Cruising through the bay feels like drifting into a fantasy painting. Calm, mysterious, and unforgettable. 7. Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. If Victoria Falls is the most powerful waterfall, Iguazu Falls might be the most breathtaking. Straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu isn't just one waterfall. It's a chain of 275 cascades spread out over almost 2 miles. The star of the show is the Devil's Throat, a massive U-shaped waterfall that swallows the river into a roaring abyss of mist and thunder. Standing at the viewing platforms, you're so close you can feel the spray soaking your skin, the roar shaking your bones. The surrounding rainforest is just as alive, filled with toucans, monkeys, and colorful butterflies. Iguazu isn't just a sight. It's an experience that engulfs all your senses. 8. Jeju Island, South Korea. We end our journey on Jeju Island, South Korea's volcanic paradise. This island is home to some of the most unique landscapes in Asia, starting with Hallasan, a dormant volcano that also happens to be the highest mountain in South Korea. Jeju is also famous for its lava tubes, underground tunnels formed by flowing lava thousands of years ago. These caves, like Manjangul Cave, stretch for miles and reveal stunning formations of stalactites and lava columns. But Jeju isn't all rugged landscapes. It's also a place of culture, where legendary Haenyeo women dive into the sea without oxygen tanks to harvest shellfish, a tradition passed down for generations. Add waterfalls, beaches, and spring blossoms, and you have a destination that feels like many worlds packed into one island. From glowing skies to roaring falls, from reefs alive with color to volcanoes born before our eyes, these natural wonders remind us of Earth's incredible diversity and power. They're more than just places on a map, they're experiences that transform us, remind us of our small place in the universe, and connect us to the raw beauty of our planet. So, which of these wonders is on your bucket list? Or better yet, have you already seen one in person? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more journeys around our amazing world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep wondering.